Few businesses fully recognize the power of good writing. A well-written sales script is very often the difference between a conversion rate of 10% and a conversion rate of 0.0001%. This is your opportunity to convince people to buy from you, to explain to them why your product or service matters, and to hold their attention. How do you do it? Here are 5 strategies that make a big difference. Be clear and to the point. Vantage Media uses innovative thought leadership and a collaborative attitude to push forward into new frontiers. We provide cloud-based solutions for small to medium businesses that want to see real change in their strategy and mindset. What's wrong with this opening? Simple. It doesn't tell the audience what they need to know. Specifically, what your business does and why they should care. Get to the point. No jargon. If your homepage is full of jargon that only mystifies your audience about what you do, then you need a drastic rethink. Fix broken links and pages. This looks unprofessional and it hurts your SEO. Link internally. Linking to pages within your site helps Google to index, and it also keeps people reading your stuff longer. This sends very strong metrics. Link out. Linking out to other relevant sites is a great way to provide more value to your readers and to create an association with high-quality content.